Good morning, students. Okay. Chapter 2. All right. Find a quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. If alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta is equal to -1. Alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial. Okay. Okay. चलिए let's start. Alpha plus beta equal to -1 by 4. We know that alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta is minus b upon a equal to -1 by 4. Therefore minus b upon -1 equal to a by 4 equal to k. Therefore b by 1 equal to k and a by 4 equal to k. Therefore value of b equal to k and value of a equal to 4k. Product of alpha beta is -1. Given that c by a equal to -1, therefore c equal to minus a. c equal to minus, value of a is 4k. Therefore value of c is minus 4k. The required polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A does not equal to 0. P of x equal to, value of a is 4k x square plus value of b is kx plus value of c is minus 4k equal to k common, 4x square plus x minus 4. K does not equal to 0. K belonging to R. Okay. Second sum. Same type. Alpha plus beta equal to √2 and product of alpha beta equal to 1 by 3. ठीक है. We know that minus b by a equal to √2. Therefore minus b upon √2 equal to a by 1 equal to k. Minus b by √2 equal to k and a by 1 equal to k. Therefore minus b is equal to √2k, p is equal to minus √2k and a equal to k. Product of 0, c by a, (1 by 3) into a, c equal to 1 by 3 into k. The polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Value of a is k. Value of b is minus √2k into x plus value of c is k by 3. K belonging to R. K does not equal to 0. Therefore p of x equal to k common, x square minus √2x plus 1 by 3. Okay. Question number 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 0 and alpha beta is equal to root 5. Alpha plus beta, that means minus a by a equal to, therefore minus b by c equal to a by 1 equal to k. या तो फिर हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व ना करें और यहाँ पे लिख लें कि दैट मीन्स माइनस बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, बी इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पे लिख दें कि सी बाई ए इक्वल टू रूट 5. देयरफॉर सी अपॉन रूट 5 इक्वल टू ए बाई 1 इक्वल टू के. दैट मीन्स सी बाई रूट 5 इक्वल टू के and a by 1 equal to k. C equal to root 5, k and a equal to k. The polynomial is p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A does not equal to 0 equal to value of a is k into x square plus 0 into x plus value of c is root 5 k. K does not equal to 0. K belonging to 1. K common. X square plus 0 into x plus root 5. K belonging to 1. K does not equal to 0. Answer. It is a required polynomial. Okay. Question number 4. Find the zeros of each of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and their coefficients. First sum, probability of x equal to x square minus 2x minus x. Okay, x square minus 2x minus x. For finding zeros of p of x, we take p of x equal to 0. That means x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 8 के ऐसे दो पार्ट के सब्ट्रैक्शन क्या आना चाहिए, मीडियन टर्म. 4 2 minus 4 plus 2. Therefore x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X common plus 2 common. Therefore x minus 4 x plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4, x equal to minus 2. Let alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to minus 2. Okay, alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to -2. फिर अल्फा बीटा तो मिल गए, अभी हमें क्या चाहिए रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दी जीरोस एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स। तो पहले सम ऑफ जीरोस इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा इज 4 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा इज -2। 4 - 2 इज आंसर 2। ठीक है, तो मैं इसे ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ माइनस ऑफ -2 बाई 1 इक्वल टू लिखेंगे माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर सम ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू ओके। नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस इक्वल टू अल्फा एंड माइनस बीटा -8। May I write this as yes? Okay. -8 is constant term. Upon 1 is coefficient of x square. Easy sum. Okay. इसमें ही सेकंड 4 का सेकंड मीन्स टाइटल यही है, पहले हमें जीरोस फाइंड करने, उसके बाद रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन जीरोस एंड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। We take g of s equal to 0. That means 4s square minus 4s plus 1 equal to 0. 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are minus minus. That means 4s square minus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. 2s common, 2s minus 1 common, 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 2s minus 1 equal to 0. 2s minus 1 equal to 0 or s equal to 1 by 2. S equal to 1 by 2. Alpha 1 by 2 and beta value 1 by 2. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta. Okay. Value of alpha is 1 by 2. Value of beta is 1 by 2. Answer is 1. Equal to minus of minus 4 by 4. 4 get cancelled. Answer plus 1. Equal to minus 4 is coefficient of s. Upon coefficient of s square. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta. Now product of zeros equal to alpha beta. Value of alpha is 1 by 2. Value of beta is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 1 by 4 value हमारे पास क्या है c by a. Okay. Then equal to 1 जो है is coefficient of is constant term upon 4 is a coefficient of s square. Question number 3. Question number 4. इसमें 3. h of 2 equal to t square minus 50. T square minus 50. For finding zeros of h of t, we take h of t equal to 0. That means t square minus 15 equal to 0. That means t square minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, t square minus root 15 square equal to 0. A plus b and a minus b. Therefore, t plus root 15 equal to 0 or t minus root 15 equal to 0. T equal to minus root 15. T equal to plus root 15. Take alpha equal to minus root 15 and beta equal to root 15. Okay. Now sum of zeros. Equal to alpha plus beta. Value of alpha is minus root 15 and value of beta is plus root 15. Answer 0. Minus 0 by 1 equal to minus coefficient of t upon coefficient of t square. Okay. Product of zeros. Equal to alpha beta. Value of alpha is minus root 15. Value of beta is plus root 15. Equal to minus 15. Equal to minus 15 by 1. Minus 15 is a constant term. In polynomial t square minus 15. Minus 15 is a constant term and 1 is equal to coefficient of t square. Then constant term upon coefficient of t square. Product of zeros. Now we have to find क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 होमवर्क वो आपको खुद सॉल्व करना है, अगर ना आए तो बताना, मैं सॉल्व करके दे दूंगा बाद में। वैसे तो वेरी इजी सब कुछ नहीं इजी। चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 उसमें 4 नंबर p of x इक्वल टू 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस, पहले आपको जीरोस फाइंड करने, जीरोस मिलेंगे अल्फा इक्वल टू 3/2, बीटा इक्वल टू -1/3, ये जीरोस मिलेंगे। जीरो पर से आपको लाना है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन जीरोस एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ दी पॉलिनोमियल, ठीक है, वो आपको खुद सॉल्व करना है। अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 verify that 3 minus 1 and minus 1/3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 and then verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. Polynomial p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. First we take p of 3. Equal to 81 minus 45 minus 36. Answer become 0. P of 3. That means x equal to 3 is a 0 of P of x. Now P of minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 cube minus 5 minus 1 square minus 11 minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3 minus 11 plus 11. Answer become 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of P of x. X equal to minus 1 is a 0 of P of x. Put value x is equal to means P of minus 1/3. Okay, 9 1/9 equal to answer 0. LCM answer 0. Check कर लेना minus 1/3. Therefore x equal to minus 1/3 is a 0 of P of x. Therefore 3 -1 and -1/3 are zeros of P of x. Now alpha equal to 3, beta equal to -1, gamma equal to -1/3. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 3 plus -1 plus -1/3 equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 1/3 equal to 6 minus 1/3 equal to 5/3. We will write it as minus of -5 upon 3 equal to -5 is coefficient of x square upon 3 is coefficient of x cube. 3 is coefficient of x cube. Now alpha beta beta gamma sum of product of its 0. Now sum of product of its 0. तो अभी इतना रब कर लेते हैं, ऊपर काफी रबी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। ये कंटिन्यूशन में ही है सब। क्या लिखेंगे? सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स zeros means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, value of alpha is 3, value of beta is -1 plus value of beta is -1, value of gamma is -1/3 and value of alpha is 3. -3 plus 1/3 -1 equal to LCM 3 -9 plus 1 -3 equal to -11/3. ठीक है, तो -11 is coefficient of x upon 3 is coefficient of x cube. Okay, alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha. Okay, now product of its 0. Product of zeros equal to alpha beta gamma. Value of alpha is 3, value of beta is -1, value of gamma is 3 get cancelled, answer is 1. Okay, answer is 1. Now we will write it as minus of -3/3 equal to -3 a constant term upon coefficient of x square x cube. Okay, okay, there, enjoy. Today's lecture is over.